What are you thinking about this question? Do you look confused? I can see your face. Don't worry, stay to the end because in the course of this video, I'm going to be solving this Olympiad question with ease. And as a means of supporting us, don't forget to click the plus sign to follow me. Like, comment, share to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. So now, next step, what we are going to do is we are going to simplify from the right hand side. We factor as 3 to the power of x. We will factor it out. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Is this equal to, you see this now, we're going to write it as 3 times 3. Sorry, 3 times 3 to the power of minus x. So now next step, what we are going to do is whenever we see this, we have 3 to the power of x times 3 is equal to 3 to the power of minus x times 3 to the power of minus x. The reason is because when they are multiplying, when two bases are multiplying the same bases and the powers like that, the powers can be split into two individually. So now, if we continue, we have 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of, in indices, when two bases are multiplying, when they are the same, and we have two powers, so take one of the base and we add the powers, so we're going to be left with minus x. That multiplication sign will change to addition, so we have plus minus x. So now we simplify, we have 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of minus x minus 2x. Equating both equations, equating the power, sorry, we are going to be left with x plus 1 is equal to minus 2x. Now we add 2x to both sides, so we are going to be left with 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Since we are looking for the value of x, we take plus 1 to the other side, causing the inequality sign is going to be equal to minus 1. So therefore, x is going to be equal to minus 1 over 3. Please don't forget to share this video for more. I'll see you in the next video. Stay with us.